Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So I welcome you again to your English class, and today we'll discuss about some of the common suffixes and prefixes which are used to form adjectives. This is part 10 of the chapter adjectives, and if you have not seen the previous parts, you can check the link in the description box. In the previous video, we discussed that adjectives can be formed from nouns, verbs, and other adjectives by adding suffixes or prefixes. Actually, a suffix is a letter or group of letters added at the end of a word to make a new word. Suffix changes a word from one part of speech to another, like a noun to an adjective. For example, look at this word, child. It's a noun, right? And if we add ish to the noun child, it will become an adjective. So here the group of letters ish is a suffix which we have added after the word to form an adjective. Okay, and here by adding ish, the part of the speech is also changed. The noun has changed to an adjective. Okay. Whereas a prefix is a letter or group of letters placed at the beginning of a word to modify or change its meaning. For example, look at this word, perfect. It's an adjective, right? And we can form another adjective from this adjective by adding prefix, that is im. If we add im to the adjective perfect, it will become imperfect, that is also an adjective. Okay, but imperfect is the opposite of the word perfect. Okay, so prefixes change the meaning of adjectives, right? So now let's look at some of the common suffixes which are used to form adjectives. So the first suffix is ic, and the adjectives are heroic, classic, basic. So now if you look at this word heroic, it is formed from the noun hero. We have added the suffix ic to the noun hero to form an adjective heroic. In the same way, if you look at the adjective classic, it is formed from the noun class. Okay, we have added the suffix ic to the noun class to form an adjective classic. In the same way, the adjective basic is formed from the noun base. Here we have removed the letter e and we have added the suffix ic to form an adjective basic, right? The second suffix is y, and some of the adjectives formed by adding this suffix are windy, rainy, angry. So here also we have formed the adjectives windy, rainy and angry by adding the suffix y to the nouns wind, rain and anger. The next suffix is ish, and some of the adjectives formed by adding this suffix are childish, foolish, selfish. So here also we have added the suffix ish to the nouns child, fool and self to form adjectives. Okay. The next suffix is ful, and some of the adjectives formed by adding this suffix are beautiful, harmful, wonderful. So here we have added the suffix ful to the nouns harm and wonder to form the adjectives harmful and wonderful. But if you look at this adjective beautiful, it is formed from the noun beauty, right? And here we have removed the last letter y, okay? And in place of y, we have added I before adding ful, okay? The next suffix is abl or ible, and some of the adjectives formed by adding these suffixes are readable, capable, invisible. The next suffix is ive, and some of the adjectives formed by adding this suffix are talkative, active. The next one is ful, and some of the adjectives which are formed by adding this suffix are useful, helpful, colorful. The next suffix is able, and the adjectives are likable, capable. The next one is al or cal, and the adjectives are normal, musical. The last one is ous, and the adjectives are anxious, famous. So now let's look at some of the prefixes which are used to form adjectives. The first one is im, and some of the adjectives are imperfect, impolite, impossible. The next one is ir, and the adjectives are irrelevant, irrational, irregular. The next one is il, and the adjectives are illegal, illegible, illogical. The next prefix is in, and the adjectives are inconvenient, inactive, inappropriate. The last one is un, and the adjectives are unfair, unhappy, unpleasant. So if you notice carefully, here all the adjectives formed after adding the prefix are the opposites of the root words. For example, if you look at this word imperfect, okay, this is the opposite of the root word perfect. Okay, we have added the prefix to the adjective perfect to form another adjective, that is imperfect. But imperfect is the opposite of the word perfect. In the same way, the word irrelevant is the opposite of the word relevant. However, both are adjective. Relevant is also an adjective and irrelevant is also an adjective. But irrelevant is the opposite of the adjective relevant. So a prefix changes the meaning of the root word, whereas suffix changes a word from one part of speech to another, like noun to an adjective, or verb to an adjective, or an adjective to another adjective. Okay. So these were just some of the prefixes and suffixes which are used to form adjectives. And now I hope you can easily form adjectives from nouns, verbs and adjectives. Okay? And if you have any doubt, any question or any query, do let me know through the comment section below. So this is all for today, and we'll continue with this chapter, that is adjectives, in our next video, in which we'll discuss about degrees of comparison. So till then, take care everyone, stay healthy, stay safe, and thank you so much for watching.